Myself Kazi Mansoor Ali A, working as assistant professor in NB Navle Singhad College of Engineering, Solapur. I have having 8 years experience and my qualification is MSc Mathematics, pursuing PhD in Mathematics. Next. Topic of discussion is numerical integration. So we know that a to b f of x dx integral represents the area between y is equal to f of x. For x ordinates, x is equal to a to x is equal to b. Now we are calculating here the numerical integration, for which if there are any functions which cannot be able very easily, such kind of problems we can solve here very easily in the numerical integration. So given set of n plus 1 paired values xi yi, I is equal to 0 1 2 up to n of the function y is equal to f of x, where f of x is not known explicitly, it is required to compute x0 to xn y dx. x0 to xn f of x dx, xn is nothing but x0 plus nh, where n is nothing but number of intervals and h is nothing but the difference between the two consecutive terms. So x0 x and n will play the important role in the Newton-Cotes formula. The formula is x0 to xn f of x dx h n y0 plus n square upon 2 del y0 plus 1 by 2 n cube upon 3 minus n square by 2 del square of y0 plus 1 by 6 n raised to 4 by 4 minus n cube plus n square del cube of y0 plus so on. So this is the formula we have generated by applying the Taylor series there. So this formula is considered as Newton-Cotes formula in the numerical integration. For different n, we get the different formulas. Next, if we put n is equal to 1 in the Newton-Cotes formula, the formula becomes x0 to xn f of x dx is equal to h by 2 in bracket y0 plus yn, the first and last term, plus 2 times the rest terms, that is y1, y2, y3 plus so on, plus yn minus 1. So which can be written as h by 2 sum of the first and last ordinates plus 2 times the sum of remaining ordinates. That is a trapezoidal rule after putting n is equal to 1 in Newton-Cotes formula. Next, Simpson's 1/3 rule. Putting n is equal to 2 in Newton-Cotes formula, we get the integration as x0 to xn f of x dx is equal to h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 2 times y2 y4 plus so on, that is even numbers, plus 4 times odd number, that is y1 plus y3 y5 so on, like that. So Simpson's 1/3 formula in language we can write h by 3 sum of the first and last ordinate plus 2 times sum of the even ordinate plus 4 times sum of odd ordinates. Next, Simpson's 3/8 rule. Putting n is equal to 3 in Newton-Cotes formula, we get Newton formula as x0 to xn f of x dx is equal to 3h by 8 y0 plus yn plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus so on yn minus 1 plus 2 times y3 plus y6 plus yn plus so on yn. That yn is nothing but the multiple of 3. Okay, so Simpson's 3/8 rule is applicable only when n is multiple of 3. So you have the objective on this bit. Vidal's rule. Putting n is equal to 6 in Newton-Cotes formula, we get x0 to xn f of x dx as 3h by 10 y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5y5 plus in bracket y6 plus 5y7 plus y8 plus 6yn y9 plus y10 plus 5y11 plus 2yn minus 6 plus 5yn minus 5 plus yn minus 4 plus 6yn minus 3 plus yn minus 2 plus 5yn minus 1 plus yn. So this is Vidal's rule. So by substituting n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6, we get different formulas, that is trapezoidal, Simpson's 1/3, Simpson's 3/8 and Vidal's rule. So students, the first note is use Radian mode in the calculator to solve the problems. Whenever you are calculating the numerical integration problem, you have to use the Radian mode in the calc. You don't use degree mode there, otherwise your calculation will be wrong. Next example, evaluate the integration I is equal to 0 to 6 1 upon 1 plus x dx using the all, that is trapezoidal rule, Simpson's rule, Vidal's rule. Also check by direct integration. By direct integration also they have demanded. Take n is equal to 6. Okay, so students, n is equal to 6 is given here. If that is not given, you can consider your way. Okay, you can consider 0 to 6, one difference you can take, there is no problem. So take the number n is equal to 6, h is nothing but b minus a upon n. See here, a is nothing but the lower limit of the integration and b is nothing but the upper limit of the integration. So a is 0, b is 6 and n is 6 is given. So 6 minus 0 divided by 6 is equal to 1. And what is f of x? That is your integrand. ज्या फंक्शनचा आपल्याला इंटिग्रेशन काढायचा तो फंक्शन f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x. X is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because the h is nothing but 1. The step length is 1. So our integration starts from 0 to 6. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Our integration stops there. So 0 to 6. Okay. So what is f of x? That is f of x means y. Y is nothing but 1 upon 1 plus x. So substitute x is equal to 0 in that function, you get the corresponding y value. If we substitute x is equal to 0, 1 upon 1 plus 0 will be 1. If we substitute x is equal to 1 there, 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. If we substitute x is equal to 2 in the function, 1 upon 1 plus 2 is 1 by 3. If we substitute x is equal to 3, 1 upon 1 plus 3 is 1 by 4. If we substitute x is equal to 4 there, 1 upon 1 plus 4 is 5. Similarly, if you substitute x is equal to 5, 1 upon 1 plus 5 is 1 by 6. If you substitute x is equal to 6 there, 1 upon 1 plus 6 is 7. So corresponding x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, we got the values y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Start with y0. That is our theory. Now we apply the all formulas there. By trapezoidal rule, we have to calculate the integration 0 to 6, 1 upon 1 plus x dx. What is trapezoidal formula? H by 2 in bracket first and last. The first is y0 and last is y6. So y0 plus y6 plus 2 times what are rest? y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So we substitute all values there and simplify. So h is 1, 1 by 2, y0 is 1, y6 is 1 by 7 plus 2 times y1 0.5, y2 1 by 3, y3 1 by 4, y4 1 by 5, y6 1 by 6. So we simplify this bracket, we get the value as a 2.02142857. So integration by trapezoidal rule, we get this value. Next, Simpsons rule. Simpsons rule means Simpsons 1/3 rule as well as Simpsons 3/8 rule. Simpsons 1/3 rule. 0 to 6, 1 upon 1 plus x dx is equal to Simpsons rule. H by 3, first and last, that is y0 plus y6 plus 2 times even numbers, that is even numbers are y2, y4 plus 4 times odd numbers are y1, y3, y5. We substitute all values there. H is 1, 1 by 3, y0 is 1, y6 is 1 by 7 plus 2 times y2 is 1 by 3, y4 is 1 by 5 plus 4 times y1 is 1 by 2, y3 is 1 by 4, y5 is 1 by 6. If we simplify this addition, the multiplication to 1 by 3, the value is 1.95873016. So integration of 0 to 6, 1 upon 1 plus x dx is 1.95873016 by Simpson's 1/3 rule. Next, Simpson's 3/8 rule. 0 to 6, 1 upon 1 plus x dx is 3h by 8 y0 plus y6, that is first and last, plus 3 times y. How many terms exist? That much we have to write. 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus 2 times y3. Okay, so multiple of 3 is y3 plus y6 terms. So already y6 we have written in the first and last term, so don't write again. There is no, should not be a repetition of first and last. Those are unit elements. एकदाच लिहायचा तो. y0 plus y6 plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 2 times y3. Now substitute all values there. H is 1, so 3 into 1 is 3, 3 by 8 plus y0 1 plus 1 by 7 plus 3 times 0.5 plus 1 by 3, y1 is 0.5, y2 is 1 by 3, y4 is 1 by 5, y5 is 1 by 6 plus 2 times y3 is 1 by 4. Now if you simplify, we get the value as integration of, by using Simpson 3/8 rule, is 1.96607143. Okay, the values are very near. Okay, next, Vidal's rule. 0 to 6 integration 1 upon 1 plus x dx. Vidal's rule is 3h by 10 y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5y5 plus y6. There are so many terms, but our terms are up to y6, so we have written formula up to that much. Now h is 1, 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 10, y0 is 1 plus 5 times y1 0.5 plus y2 1 by 3 plus 6 y3 1 by 4 plus y4, that is 1 by 5 plus 5 y5 1 by 6 plus y6 1 by 7. If we simplify this, we will get the value as 1.95285714. So this is by Vidal's rule. Okay student, you have to remember the Simpson's 3/8 rule, Vidal's rule. Trapezoidal and Simpson's 1/3 rule is very easy to understand, but you have to write 2 or 3 times to remember the Simpson's 3/8 and Vidal's rule. So practice it. Now we find the actual integration. What is the integration actually of this 0 to 6 1 upon 1 plus x dx? Now 1 upon 1 plus x integration is log of 1 plus x, and we have to evaluate in between 0 to 6. Substitute x is equal to 6. Log of 1 plus 6 is log 7 minus log of 1 plus 0 is log 1. Log 1 is 0. Log 7, the value is 1.94591015. So the integration is, exact integration is 1.94591015. So 1.94 is our exact answer. Next, example second. By dividing the range into 10 equal parts, evaluate 0 to pi sin x dx. Trapezoidal and Simpson's rule. Verify your answer with integration. Now what is h? H is b minus a upon n. N is 10 intervals, we have 10 equal parts, that is given, that is n is there, n is equal to 10. A is 0, b is pi, the upper limit is b, that is pi, lower limit is 0, pi minus 0 upon 10, that is pi by 10. Y is equal to f of x, that is function is sin x here. Now we substitute x values are there. X is nothing but 0 to pi, that we have to go with this range, that is pi by 10. So 0 0 plus pi by 10 is pi by 10, pi by 10 plus pi by 10 is 2 pi by 10, plus pi by 10 is 3 pi by 10, 3 pi by 10 plus pi by 10 is 4 pi by 10, plus 5 by 10 is 5 pi by 10, plus 5 by 10 is 6 pi by 10, plus 7 pi by 10, plus pi by 10 is 8 pi by 10 plus pi by 10 is 9 pi by 10 plus 10 by 10 pi upon 10, that is pi. So we start from 0 and we end to up to pi, that is our interval. In that we will calculate the function value by substituting those x values in y is equal to sin x. Now substitute x is equal to 0, the sin 0 is 0. If we substitute sin pi by 10, sin pi by 10 value is 0.3090. Use radian mode to calculate. Sin pi by 10 is 0.3090. Sin 2 pi by 10, that is 0.5878. Sin 3 pi by 10, 0.8090. Sin 4 pi by 10, 0.9511. Sin 5 pi by 10, that is sin pi by 2, that is 1. Sin 6 pi by 10, that is 0.9511. Sin 7 pi by 10, that is 0.8090. Sin is that some answers will be repeated here because it is a symmetric. Okay, so sin 8 pi by 10 is 0.5878, sin 9 pi by 10 is 0.3090, and sin pi is 0. So for different x values we get the different y values after substituting the x values there, respectively 0 to pi. Now first is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8, y9, y10. We can nominate the names. Now using trapezoidal rule, we find out the values. 0 to pi sin x dx is h by 2, first and last. First is y0, last is y10. y0 plus y10 plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5 plus y6 plus y7 plus y8 plus y9. First and last plus 2 times the rest y values that we have. Now we substitute the values there respectively. So pi by 10 upon 2, that is pi by 20. First and last values are 0, 0 plus 0, y0 plus y10 plus 2 times y1 0.3090 plus y2 0.5878 plus y3 0.8090 plus y4 0.9511 plus y5 1 plus y6 0.9511 plus y7 0.8090 plus y8 0.5878 plus y9 0.3090. All values we have substituted there. Now if we simplify, you can substitute pi value as 3.14. Okay, so pi value is 3.14, we know that. We substitute there and the simplification will be in the number, that is 1.9843. We get by using trapezoidal rule. Now we use Simpsons rule. Now we have 1 by 3 rule and 3/8 rule. 0 to pi sin x dx, we first calculate Simpsons 1/3, h by 3, first and last y0 plus y10 plus 2 times the even multiple, that is y2 plus y4 plus y6 plus y8, and 4 times the odd multiple, y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus y7 plus y9. Now we substitute the value. H is pi by 10, 10 into 3 is 30, so pi by 30. y0 is 0, y10 is 0 plus 2 times y2 0.5878 plus y4 0.9511 plus y6 0.9511 plus y6 0.5878 plus 4 times y1 0.3090 plus y3 0.8090 plus y5 is 1 plus y7 0.8090 plus y9 0.3090. Substitute pi is equal to 3.14 and simplify it. So that value comes as 2.00091. Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now see here, our n is 10, so that is not multiple of 3 or 6. So we cannot calculate the Wedel's and Simpson's 3/8 rule here. So Simpson's 3/8 and Wedel's rule is applicable only the multiple of 3. The n should be multiple of 3. Now because we have said that here n is equal to 10, so that is not multiple of 3. So we cannot calculate the Simpson's 3/8 rule value and Wedel's rule value. Okay, now direct integration also they have asked, we can calculate. 0 to pi sin x dx. Sin x integration is minus cos x. The limits are 0 to pi. So minus cos pi minus cos 0. Now cos pi value is minus 1. Cos 0 value is 1. So minus of minus plus, minus of minus plus. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So exact value is 2. So in this example, Simpson's 1/3 value is very close to exact answer. Next, evaluate the integral I is equal to 4 to 5.2 integration log x to the base e dx using trapezoidal, Simpsons rule and Vidal's rule. N is given here 6. Okay. B is equal to 5.2, A is equal to 4. H is B minus A upon N. 5.2 minus 4 divided by 6, that is 1.2 divided by 6, that is 0.2. H is 0.2. Now our integration limit starts from 4 to 5.8. So add 0.2 to lower limit to upper limit and bring that term. 4 plus 0.2 is 4.2. 4.2 plus 0.2 is 4.4. 4.4 plus 0.2 is 4.6. 4.6 plus 0.2 is 4.8. 4.8 plus 0.2 is 5.0. 5.0 plus 0.2 is 5.2. Now we substitute the x values in that function. Function is log x to the base e. So log 4 to the base e is 1.3862944. Log 4.2, the value is 1.4350845. Log 4.4, the value is 1.4816045. Log 4.6 is 1.5260563. Log 4.8 is 1.5686159. Log 5 is 1.6094739. Log 5.2, that is 1.6486586. These are the values. So 4, we have started from 4 and ended with 5.2. Our limits are 4 to 5.2 and corresponding function values we have calculated. Now we calculate first trapezoidal rule. 4 to 5.2 log x to the base e dx is h by 2, first and last. Now numbering is there. First is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. So n is 6 here. So we can apply the all rules. Okay. Trapezoidal rule, h by 2 y0 plus y6 plus 2 times y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So we substitute all values. H is 0.2, y0 is 1.38629444 plus y6 is 1.64866586 plus 2 times the all values, that is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. We have substituted 1.4350845 plus 1.481605 plus 1.5260563 plus 1.5686159 plus 1.6094379. If you simplify this term, the value will be of the integration that by trapezoidal rule is 1.827655512. Next, Simpson's rule. Simpson's rule 1/3, 3/8 and Vidal's rule. So 4 to 5.2 log x to the base e dx is equal to h by 3, first and last, that is y0 plus y6 plus 2 times y2 plus y4 even plus 4 times odd, y1 plus y3 plus y5. H is 0.2. H is 0.2 divided by 3. Y0 1.3862944 plus y6 1.64866586 plus 2 times y2 1.481605 plus y4 1.5686159 plus 4 times y1 1.4350845 plus y3 1.52605663 plus y5 1.6094379. So if we simplify it, the value comes as 1.82784724. Simpson's 1/3 value. Similarly, Simpson's 3/8 rule. 4 to 5.2 integration log x to the base e dx is equal to 3h by 10 3h by 8 y0 plus y6 first and last plus 3 times y1 y2 y4 y5 plus 2 times y3. So how much terms are exist, use that much formula. Okay, so h is 0.2, 3 into 0.2 divided by 8, y0 1.3862944 plus y6 1.6486586 plus 3 times y1 1.4350845 plus y2 1.4816045 plus y4 1.5686159 plus y5 1.6094379 plus 2 times y3 1.5260563. So all values we have substituted. Simplify in the calci. The value is 1.82784705. So Simpson's 3/8 value is near about Simpson's 1/3 rule value. Correct up to 4 decimal. Sorry, 6 decimal are correct. Next, Vidal's rule. 4 to 5.2 log x to the base e dx is equal to 3h by 10. The values are y0. How many terms are exist? Up to y6. So that much formula we have written. y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5y5 plus y6. So h is 0.2. 3 into 0.2 divided by 10. y0 1.3862944 plus 5y1 1.4350845 plus y2 1.481645 plus 6 times y3 1.5260563 plus y4 1.5686159 plus y6 1.6486586. All values we have substituted, and if you simplify, the integration comes as 1.82784,739. So these all values are nearly equal. Okay, so this is the trapezoidal, Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson's 3/8 rule, Vidal's rules problem. Okay, in exam they will ask any one of them or any two problems on formulas. All not four formulas are asked, just 2 or 3 they will ask. You have to use which formula is applicable, that much you can calculate. Okay students, thank you.